Every 3-ingredient ice cream cake recipe you have seen online is a complete lie. They always sneak in a whole pre-baked boxed cake or a massive tub of store-bought ice cream, which completely defeats the entire purpose of calling it a 3-ingredient recipe. This is the actual, legitimate way to make a from-scratch ice cream cake using only 3 real ingredients, and you do not even need an ice cream machine or an oven to pull it off. All you need is heavy whipping cream, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and a pack of Oreos. That is literally it. First, we are making the crust. Take about 2 cups of Oreos and smash them up in a plastic bag with a rolling pin. Leave the cream filling inside the cookies because it helps bind the crust together and adds extra flavor. Once you have fine crumbs, press them super tightly into the bottom of a pan. You can use a springform pan if you have one, but a standard loaf pan lined with plastic wrap works perfectly. Stick that pan in the freezer for 15 minutes to lock the crust in place so it does not crumble later. Next is the ice cream base. Pour 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into a large bowl. If you want to save time, chill your bowl and your beaters in the freezer for 10 minutes beforehand. Cold equipment makes the cream whip up so much faster. Beat the cream until you get stiff peaks. You will know it is ready when you lift the mixer and the cream stands straight up without drooping. Do not rush this part, or your ice cream will turn out icy instead of creamy. Now for the secret weapon. Pour a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk directly into your whipped cream. The condensed milk is the science behind this whole thing, keeping the ice cream soft and scoopable in the freezer. Take a rubber spatula and gently fold the two together. Do not stir it aggressively. If you mix it too hard, you will deflate all the air you just whipped into the cream. Just use slow, sweeping motions until it looks thick and glossy. To assemble, grab your chilled crust and pour half the ice cream mixture over it. Smooth it out, throw down a middle layer of extra crushed cookies for a crunch factor, and then pour the rest of the cream on top. Smooth the top layer, scatter your leftover cookie crumbs over it, and press some plastic wrap directly onto the surface to stop ice crystals from forming. Freeze it for at least 6 hours, though overnight gives you the absolute best texture. When you are ready to serve, let it sit on the counter for 5 minutes and use a knife warmed under hot water to get those perfect, clean slices. You just hacked a gourmet summer dessert that looks like it took all day, using 0 fancy equipment and only 3 basic things from the grocery store.